Hello guys, the date today is 26 January and the day is Sunday, 26 January 2025. The time now is 9 o'clock, almost 10, and today is my practice English at day 9. So today I will talk about the popular questions in JavaScript for interview. So I will challenge myself to answer the questions. I was asked the ChatGPT for the questions list, and I will share my screen. Wait a minute. Okay, here are the questions. I was asked the ChatGPT. I was I was asked ChatGPT to give me a popular questions, and I may not. I may not answer all of these questions, but maybe I will answer the first section of these questions. So the next question I will answer in the next practice. The topic of the answer, the topic of the questions is core JavaScript concept. Okay, let's start for the first question. Number one, what is the difference between var, let, and cons? Var is using for global project in JavaScript, and let is using for dynamically change. You can using let when you have let's say you have value that can be changed by another value. Let's say the bottle contains water, and the bottle the water can be replaced by another liquid. And const is for constant, so the value cannot be changed when you using the const. And question number 2, explain the concept of closure in JavaScript. Closure in JavaScript, you can create a function in the function. You can create another function, and you can call the function author of the function itself. For example, let's say I have a bag. In the bag, I have a book. So let's say this bag is function, and in the function in this bag we can create another function. So let's say this book also a function, so we can create the function in another function after we create function inside the bag. We can call another function author of the bag. So I think that's it about closure concept. And question number 3: what is hasting and how does it work? I don't know about what is hasting, so I have no clue. I probably will skip this question and I will find out the answer later. And question number 4: what is the difference between equal and equal multiple times? Equal twice times. Sorry, my screen has been over, so I will record again. Okay, let's continue the question number 4. Equals twice times means you can find a value but not exactly match. Let's I will give an example here. Let's say A sama dengan A. So this is will return true. But if we using equals third times, for example A equal A, it will return false. I think that's it about the difference of equals twice time and about equals twice and third times, second times and third times. So let's continue into next questions. Don't forget to drink coffee in the morning. And the next question is, what is the purpose of promises and how do they differ from callback? I don't know what is differ means, so I will open Google Translate. berbeda. Okay. What is the purpose of promises and how do they differ from callback? Okay. I will answer the purpose of promises. Purpose of promises is support JavaScript to doing many things in doing many things at once. Let's say I will give an example here. A walks to B. Here is the first class, and A also walks to C. Here is the second task, and A also walks to D. Here is the third task. By this example, I walks to different location, but the different actually I can be walk into the B first and then into C and then to D, but when we use promises, the differences is sorry, my screen record has been over again. What makes this difference is by the time. Let's say A walks to B, it takes time 2 seconds, and walks to C takes time 4 seconds, and walks to D taking time 1 second. So the promises support. The promises will execute this task first, because this task have a quite short time to take an action. So the result will into D and the second is A to B, and the last is A into C. I think just it about my explanation of promise purpose, and let's continue into the next question. Next question is explain the even loop and how it works in JavaScript. For this question, I don't have the answer for now, but I will find out the answer later. So let's jump into the next questions. Question number 7. What is the difference between synchronous and asynchronous code in JavaScript? It's similar, like what was I explained here, but synchronous and asynchronous means we can prioritize where the task will execute first. Let's say we can add wait for the first task, and synchronous for the second and the third task. So the task will the JavaScript will execute the first task because because the second and the third task cannot be executed if the first task has not executed. I think that's it about synchronous and asynchronous. It's about priorities where the task will execute first, and the next execution. And let's continue into next question. Question number 8. What are raw functions and how are they different from regular function? I will start my screen record again. Okay. What raw functions and how are they different from regular function? I don't know the difference, but I think the functionality of the raw or the regular function is similar. For example, the regular function and raw function, we can add constant on the first, and the variable that contain the functions, and here regular function, and here the row function. So I probably just can be answer about the difference of the preview of the function, but I cannot be explain what the difference, because I think the functionality is similar. So let's jump into the next questions. What is this keyword, and how is it value determined? So this keyword generally used in class function. Let's say class A contain several functions. Cons A1 and to call another function in class A2. Generally, we can use this A1, and if we need the result of the function that we call, we can return something that we need. Let's say I will return hello there, and in the function A2 I will create a new variable. Let's say and if we log the variable say, it will return hello there. I think like this, the functionality of this, and it's determined for call another function in function, call another function in the function of the class functionality. I think that's it. And okay. Okay, and the last questions, I will share my screen because the time is up. So the last question is, what is the difference between call, apply, and bind? Honestly, I never using this JavaScript function, so I don't know what the answer is. But I will find out the the answer about these questions. So, okay, I think that's it for now about core JavaScript concept. Okay, guys, I was practice my English by answer the popular question in JavaScript questions. So see you tomorrow for the next question of JavaScript. If you know the answer that I don't know from the question before, you can comment below. Okay, see you. Thank you.